Hello and welcome to another episode of What's in Store Fridays. My name is Mark Cockrell and I'm with the Culture and Heritage Museums. I'm going to show you what we have in the store today. We have some nice pottery that has come in. It's got a nice fall theme with oak leaves and some maple leaves. But I'm also going to show you how to dress up a pumpkin to make a nice little centerpiece for your table or something for your buffet. Nowadays they come with a stem. A lot of them, come with a stem, but I always like to get one with a curly stem or something. They've come out of the field. Just you need to really wipe them down, get all that excess dirt off. Once you've done that, we're going to take flowers and we're going to decorate the top of it and let it sort of cascade down. First of all, you want to take a piece of this coated wire or a piece of chenille, some kind of wire that's got some heft to it. You can use some brown or green chenille too, but what you want to do is just take a good length of it, maybe 14-15 inches, give it a good twist on the ends, and you want to do both ends, get a good curl on it, give it a little crimp in the middle, and today we're just going to be using a whole lot of stick pins. And just catch it right near the base, and we'll be coming back to that to fluff it out some, but that's going to be the basis of your little vine sticking there. Next, you want to get maybe 3 bunches of mums. So just cut off a bunch of the heads and cut them flat, and all you're going to do is take the pin, stick it right in the middle and push it into the pumpkin. Now I learned the hard way that little pumpkins have a lot harder rind, so you don't want to do that with little pumpkins because you won't be able to get the pin in. So get a nice big pumpkin for this project. All right, so get your bigger ones in there first. Get about 4 or 5 either fake leaves or real leaves, and you just want to put them underneath. All right, so what we've got here is the leaves, and this goes really quick. You can just stick them right in with the pins, and we'll go back and hide those. Take a next smaller flower head and just stick them in. Get some of the color ones going here. You can either use the flathead pins, but I like these little pearl head ones. They go in pretty quick and easy. It's nice to layer it a little bit. You can actually put some of the smaller ones over top of the bigger flowers, like so. Add here just for a little added oomph. A couple dried peppers here, and that too you can just impale and stick them on as well. But this just adds a little bit of spice to your design. Okay, so you can pull this out and just curl it up some to make it show. Double check, make sure everything's in pretty secure, but it took 5 minutes to get this thing done, and you have a really cool arrangement that'll last for a good week or so. We do have these cool wine cups. They have this nice oak leaf design on it, but we have about 12 of these left in the store. They come in a nice set. You can buy them individually, but these are really nice wine cups. But they feel good in your hands. We hope you come and visit us at the store. Okay, and don't forget we have these really cool Halloween matches. Look, the sticks are actually black. These are very cool. You can set them out for your candles. But our online store is also at chmuseums.myshopify.com. So we'll see you next time on What's in Store Fridays.